Hello everyone, this is Team C. Let's get right into it. What is COIL? COIL is a powerful form of global learning that we can use as a professors to work as a team with other professors from different institutions, countries, and cultures. The idea is to partner to design experience that will challenge our students to connect their diverse knowledge and perspective across the border of time, language, and discipline. COIL is accessible in different modalities as face-to-face classes, hybrids, and online. Usually lasts from 4 to 10 weeks, and it can involve courses in the same discipline or complementary disciplines. COIL uses technology to connect people and their ideas and often involve video conferencing. The three main components of COILs are icebreaker activities that help students to get know and trust in each other, collaborative tasks that demands diverse contributions for every person participation, and reflection activities that help students reach new ways of thinking about themselves, others, and their work.